dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
The People Democratic Party (PDP) tells President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and APC members that they should let Nigerians breathe. But before we proceed with this news, welcome to Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. If this is your first time of watching, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. You can send in your comments and keep the conversation lively in our comment section. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for joining us. To all our viewers, feel relaxed, enjoy, and stay connected. The People Democratic Party (PDP) has asked President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) to let Nigeria breathe by allowing them to freely protest unjust policies. My people no be smarting. The party condemned what it is described as vicious attempt by the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu presidency and the APC to politicize the protest by Nigerians against the current economic hardship. They said that the citizens took to the street to protest worsening insecurity in the country occasioned by the anti-people policies and unprecedented corruption of the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu-led APC administration. The National Publicity Secretary of the PDP, Honorable Debo Olugunagba, said that the action of the APC in the threatening Nigerians for exercising their democratic and constitutional right to protest in the face of the misrule, agonizing poverty, hunger, killings, and other harrowing experiences under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administrations shows that the APC is insensitive and relishing the life discounting situation in the country. He said that the approach by the APC, instead of listening to the people, is not only offensive but keen to pushing Nigerians to the wall and daring them to do their worst. Honorable Debo said that it is an assault on the sensibility of the people, that rather than providing answer to how the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu-led APC government in the space of 9 months turned the nation economy upside down, leading to terrifying food scarcity and catastrophic high cost of living, the APC is busy seeking to label and clamp down on the suffering masses. He said that the APC is insensitive to this fact because more than 104 million citizens have sunk deeper into poverty. Nigerians can no longer afford their daily meals with families, while most of them are going to bed on empty stomach as poverty rates soar to over 46%. So any government that has an idea of macroeconomic policies management ought to have recognized that the suffocating policies of sudden increase in the pump price of petrol products, high cost of electricity, and arbitrarily floating of the naira as executed by the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration without due consideration would have excruciating consequences to the economy, as been witnessed today. That the thoughtless policies by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC are responsible for the crippling of the productive sector with 28% inflation rate, crashing of the naira from 167 to over 15 to a dollar, closure of millions of businesses and mass exodus of international companies from Nigeria, resulting to distressing 41% unemployment rate and unbearable pressures on millions of families across the country. Today, Nigerians are resorting to suicide, while thousands of our promising youths are leaving the country in droves. Is it not provocative that in the last 8 years and 9 months, instead of deploying the nation's resources for the improvement of critical infrastructures and the productive sector, Nigeria have witnessed massive looting of over 20 trillion by APC leaders and their officials in government through direct pillaging of government vault, budget padding, contract inflation, oil subsidy scam, palliative racketeering, and funding programs which have no benefits and consequences to the lives of the citizens. There are so many reports that has been, flying up and down during this administration, which includes exposed looting of billions of naira by cabinet ministers and senior officials, as reported in the embezzlement of palliative funds without concrete actions being taken by the government to investigate, recover, and sanction those involved in the raging scam. Moreover, the APC and the Tinubu presidential administrations have remained insensitive to the mass killings, kidnapping, and other acts of terrorism ravaging the country without profiling any concrete action plan and policies to address this multifarious consuming carnage. Since President Bola Ahmed Tinubu took office on May 29, 2023, no fewer than 5,000 Nigerians have been killed by terrorists, apparently embodied by the laid-back attitude and the body language of Mr. President, who has failed to show seriousness on issue of security of empathy to victims either by words or actions. PDP went on to tackle President that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is missing in action as his holidays in France at the expense of the Nigeria Treasury, that the APC must understand and come to terms with the fact that there is frustration in the land because of the suffocating economy and social policies. Laid-back attitude to the security and massive corruption in this President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration is very bad. That instead of them being hypocritical by pointing fingers at the opposition, that the APC should admit the failure of the policies and take urgent and concrete action to get Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to lift his knee off the neck of Nigerians so that Nigerians can breathe. Honestly, because this assurance, they keep giving Nigerians that 2024 is loaded with peace, progress, and prosperity to the advantage of all Nigerians. We are not seeing any of those things. Nigeria's stress is just too much. Quality of life is next to zero, even with your money. God, I beg you. On his mandate we shall stand. Is it the mandate we are standing? If this is the mandate he promised us, honestly, he has to change. Because Nigerians can't keep suffering this long anymore. The most annoying thing is that they can't be buying fuel at almost 700 naira and still be on queue to get it. That is the annoying part. Nothing is working in this country today because this government of APC and led President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administrations is clueless and they have no idea how to fix this country. They say that they want to introduce Dangote Petroleum into the market. So where is it? They want to, first create scarcity before they will introduce the petroleum company. God, I beg you. So guys, let me know your thoughts. Your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation lively in the comment section. Once again, thank you all so much for staying with us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. And don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe guys. Bye.